This article was written by Terry Mortensen, and it was a summary of evidence for a worldwide flood and evidence against an old Earth. And it can be categorized as two groups of evidences. One is the fossils. The fossils demonstrate rapid burial because they don't exist in the natural. They require to be buried quickly. Most bones and dead animals and dead plants get degraded by natural processes and leave no particular remains. No, it requires extraordinary flood conditions to bury fossils, and particularly of large animals. And many of the fossils themselves seem to cover different layers of rock, so you can't claim that these layers of rock are millions of years apart when you've got, say, a tree trunk going through multiple layers. So, and the fossils themselves contain soft tissue, which again only lasts thousands of years. Regarding the layers of rocks themselves, these layers show no sign of erosion between the layers, so they must have been all laid out at the same time. Also, when they are bent, these layers all bend together with no sign of cracking, which means they must have bent at the same time whilst all the layers were still wet from the flood. And these layers cover many continents and are transcontinental, therefore they can't be the product of localized flooding. Furthermore, the geological features we see, such as valleys, are bigger than the rivers that are in them and bigger than anything those rivers could have created. Therefore, the rivers have followed the valleys, not created them. So what you see is a collection of very strong pieces of evidence that all point to a worldwide flood. And I can commend the work of the creation geologists in compiling this evidence over 40 years. And therefore we can trust the Bible's account of a worldwide flood. And therefore we can trust the Bible as an accurate record from God. Well, thank you for listening.